Want to manage notifications in Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to manage notifications in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the bell icon from the top right corner. Here you can see all the notifications that you have received. If you want specific notifications only, then tap on the More button from the bottom right corner. Then click on the settings icon. After that, choose notifications. Click on the drop down icon beside mobile push notifications. These are the notifications that you can receive from Roblox. If you want to turn it off, then tap on the toggle button beside it. If you want to turn it on again, tap on the toggle button. And that's how you can manage notifications in Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.